There are certain diseases that do not show obvious signs and symptoms. However, if left unattended, they are very fatal to the human body, which can affect certain organs, crucial organs in your human body. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 of these silent diseases. If you stick to the end, I might add the sixth one, making it 6. Let's move straight into the video. The first silent disease is hypertension. There are majority of people that they are walking about with high blood pressure, meanwhile they themselves do not know because they are not showing any signs and symptoms. The time that you will start noticing any signs and symptoms, by that time that high blood pressure is causing significant impact in certain organs in your human body. High blood pressure can affect your kidneys. It can also affect your heart. It can also affect your brain and also some other crucial organs in your human body. The second silent disease is diabetes. Diabetes, which is also called high blood sugar. Majority of us do not find time to even check our blood sugar. And there are a lot of people with diabetes that they themselves do not know. Diabetes affects your nerves, it can affect your eye, it can affect your kidneys, it can affect your brain. There are a lot of organs in your human body which diabetes can affect. And if it is left uncontrolled, it can be very fatal to your human body. The third silent disease is chronic kidney disease. This kind of condition in its initial state does not present with significant signs and symptoms. The only way you can know that your kidneys are functioning properly is to do renal function tests or blood urea and electrolytes, and also you check your creatinine in order to see that your kidneys are functioning properly or not. Then based on that, you also check your estimated glomerular filtration rate for us to know the rate at which your kidneys are filtering your blood to remove certain excess fluid and also toxic substance from your human body. The fourth silent disease is some form of cancers. Now, one thing about cancer is that your cells in its initial state will be dividing and growing abnormally. At that point, your body will not be showing obvious signs and symptoms. However, when the cancer becomes very extensive, making you to start experiencing some signs and symptoms. By that time that you notice the signs and symptoms, this means that the cancer is in its severe form. If it is diagnosed early, it can be treated. However, if it is not diagnosed early, and by that time that the cancer have become very extensive, there is nothing we can do. Cancer can affect any part of your human body. We should always be going for constant checkups in order to help us diagnose these form of cancers very early, so that we can be able to treat those forms of cancer which is treatable. I hope you understand. The fifth silent disease is high cholesterol. High cholesterol. One thing is that these cholesterols tend to build up, but they will not be giving you obvious signs and symptoms within your human body. By the time that cholesterol becomes too much inside your human body, they can start storing up in your blood vessels, your liver, causing fatty liver in your blood vessels to cause arteriosclerosis and certain other areas of your human body. This is because at that point the cholesterol is too high and your body needs to store it in different areas of your human body. We should always constantly check our lipid profile or our cholesterol level so that we will diagnose it early and then manage it appropriately. The sixth silent disease that I want to talk about is some form of chronic infection. These include hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV, and other chronic infections. When they start, they do not give you obvious signs and symptoms. However, when it is left unattended or untreated, they can cause significant impact in certain organs in your human body. For instance, hepatitis B can affect your liver, causing liver failure, liver cirrhosis, and even hepatocellular carcinoma. So these kind of chronic infections, if it is not diagnosed early and treated, they can affect certain crucial organs in your human body. So these are the silent diseases that I want to share with you. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share this video to many people.